Are you a business owner struggling to create an inspiring workspace that attracts top talent and impresses clients? Our team of expert commercial interior designers transforms ordinary business spaces into extraordinary environments that drive success. We specialize in creating custom workplace designs that boost employee morale, enhance your brand presence, and maximize functionality within your budget. From modern open offices to sophisticated meeting rooms, we handle every detail of your commercial space transformation. Our proven design process ensures your vision becomes reality while staying on schedule and within budget. We work closely with you to understand your business goals and create spaces that support growth and success. Contact us today for a free consultation and discover how the right interior design can revolutionize your business performance. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.